How are you? Today I would like to talk about some few opposite words in Kiluba. We have, for instance, KUPYANA means hot. KUPYANA means hot. KUTALALA means cold. KUPYANA means it's hot. KUTALALA means it's cold. It may be wara mema apiana means wara is hot. The wara is hot, or mema atalala, the wara is cold. We can use the words like up, down. Mulu, panshi, for instance. Up, mulu, we say mulu. Mulu, then down is panshi. Panshi. Up, down. Mulu, panshi. I'm showing just because I believe that some people who retain things, unless they see them with their eyes. So mulu is up, panshi is down. Mulu, panshi. Mulu, panshi. Up, down. Down is panshi. And another word I can think of, for instance, kushikata means to sit, and kuimana means to stand. Kushikata, kuimana. Kushikata means sit down, and kuimana means to stand up. That's something we need to know. I believe you retain all those words as we go, little by little. Language, we are not in rush. So kushikata means sit, and kuimana means to stand. Another word I have there is kwenda. Kwenda means to go. Kujoka means to come back. Naenda, I'm going. So najoka, I'm coming back. So it's progressive, I believe. Naenda, najoka. Naenda, I'm gone. And najoka, I'm back. Kufunga. Kufunga. Kufunga, mulango. Mulango is the door. Mulango is the door. Kufunga mulango means to close the door. Kufungula mulango means to open the door. Fungula mulango. Fungula mulango means open the door. Funga mulango means close the door. Alright, we'll stop there. I will try to inject little words, and I'm looking forward to hearing the comments here and there. Many of you are watching, and let me know. Maybe I'm not going to be excelling a lot in the teaching the Kiluba in the Bible. I will try to mix, but those words here and there could help some people here and there who like to be rich in words. So let's refresh our memory. So the first one we talked about was KUPYANA. KUPYANA means something is hot. So I gave the example with wara, mema. Mema apiana. So the wara is hot. Mema apiana. Wara is hot. Mema atalala. The wara is cold. Then we went straight to kulu. Kulu panshi. Or mulu panshi. So mulu means up. Mulu, up. Panshi means down. Mulu, panshi. Mulu, panshi. And then I also brought the word kushikata. Kushikata means to sit, like me, I'm sitting. Kushikata. Kuimana, I'm standing. So there is kushikata and the kuimana. Kuimana, standing. And then I also put the verb kwenda, to go. Kwenda, to go. And then kujoka, to come back. And then the last one is kufunga. Kufunga means to close, and kufungula means to open. Like nafungula mulango, I open the door, and then nafunge mulango, I close the door. All right. Shall I po, we'll talk more and we'll learn more of those words. You'll be very fluent in it if you pay attention to all those words, and I will try to be more organized. I'm trying to think, how can I direct these things and be more fruitful and bless somebody down there. So God bless you, and looking forward talking to you again. God bless you.